Data exchange is used to transfer measurement and formula data between Datacolor Paint and Datacolor Match Pigment. The following data can be exchanged. First, from Match Pigment to Paint, PaintMaker or LaPaintMaker. Samples, standards and batches can be transferred as color cards to an MDB UNV file, which is the Microsoft Access file format used in Paint. Formulas can be transferred as formula book items into the MDB UNV file. Color library formulas can be transferred as palette formulas. Second, we can import the following data from Paint. Color cards coming from an MDB UNV file can be imported as samples in Datacolor Match Pigment. Palette formulas can also be imported as color library formulas into Match Pigment. Measurement data in Paint is only available in 20 nanometer steps, while Match Pigment data uses by default 10 nanometer data. Importing 20 nanometer data is allowed, but better matching performance will be obtained when using 10 nanometer data. Paint colorant files, MDB FDT, cannot be transferred into Datacolor Match Pigment. Transfer the original data from DataMatch, ChromaCal 3 or previous versions of Datacolor Match Pigment. Consult the product line maintenance video if you would like to transfer a product line from Match Pigment to a Datacolor Paint MDB FDT file. To start data exchange, go to Go and select Data Exchange. To avoid data corruption, please close other Datacolor applications first. The data exchange procedure consists of 5 steps. The wizard will assist you in providing the data necessary to conclude each step. As you complete each step in the process, a check is displayed on the left side of the window, tracking the progress of data exchange. In this video, we will show you how to transfer formulas from Datacolor Match Pigment to Datacolor Paint. In a separate video, we will show you how to import Datacolor Paint palette formulas into Datacolor Match Pigment. Let's start with the first example. Select from Datacolor Match Pigment to Paint, select Formulas and hit the Next button. Select the folder where the formulas you would like to transfer are located and click the OK button. Select the Paint Universal Database. A universal database is the Microsoft Access database format used in Paint, PaintMaker and LaPaintMaker. You will find an empty MDB UNV database on each installation of Paint, PaintMaker and LaPaintMaker. You can also download the empty MDB UNV file from the Datacolor support website. Please note that the transfer will not work if you do not have a proper MDB UNV file. In this example, we will take an empty MDB UNV file, we will copy the file, paste it in the same folder and rename it to formulas.mdb-unv. Please note that you can also take an existing MDB UNV file. Select the file, click Open and click the Next button. At this point in the process, we will select the formulas to transfer. Click the Browse button and select the formulas by using the Shift and Ctrl keys. When finished, click the Open button. You may select additional formulas or clear formulas from the list. When you have completed your selection, press the Next button. Finally, we will enter important information for the Paint program. A manufacturer is a required field for Paint. In this case, we will enter RAL as manufacturer name. You also have to select a unit in which the formula amounts will be written in the Access database. Select the required unit. If the unit does not exist, you must create it before you continue. Units are created from the admin program. In this example, we will select fluid ounces. Formula amounts will now be written in fluid ounces in the Access database. Finally, you may want to select the Datacolor paint formulation database to be associated with the formulas we want to transfer. If you do not need to link the formulas, you can leave this field blank and proceed to the next step. Make the appropriate geometry selection. Datacolor Paint offers a gloss compensation feature. Select the gloss geometry associated with the formulas. Also make the appropriate data type selection. Datacolor match pigment formulas can be defined as formula book, FBook entries, and/or as palette file entries. A palette file entry requires additional information. Please consult the Datacolor Match Pigment manual for more information. When you have completed all of the selections on the screen, click the Next button. A summary of the transfer information will appear. Click the Finish button to start the transfer. If any of the match pigment ingredients do not have an abbreviation defined, the program will stop and ask you to enter the abbreviation. Enter the abbreviation and click the OK button. We have now successfully transferred the formulas to a Datacolor Paint database. You can exit the program or go back to start another session. If you like to know more about data exchange, please consult Datacolor documentation or visit our support site. Thank you for watching this Datacolor video.